One of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your English is by listening and repeating. When you listen to someone speak naturally and repeat what they say, you're not just learning new words. You're also training your ears to understand real English and your mouth to pronounce words correctly. This method helps you speak more fluently and confidently over time, even if you don't know all the grammar rules yet. You start to feel how the language flows, just like you did when you learned your first language. In this activity, you'll hear a person introducing themselves in English. Your goal is to listen carefully and then repeat each sentence out loud. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect on the first try. You can pause, rewind, and practice as many times as you need. Try to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Over time, this simple habit will make a big difference in how natural your English sounds. Ready? Let's begin. Please, tell me about yourself.
Sure. Hi there. My name is Sophia, and I'm 32 years old. I'm from Toronto, Canada, a big multicultural city where the winters are cold, the summers are beautiful, and there's always something happening. Toronto is known for its friendly people, tall buildings, and delicious food from all over the world. I love living here because it's so diverse, and I get to meet people from many different cultures every day. I work as a graphic designer at a marketing agency. My job is super creative and fun. I design things like social media posts, ads, websites, and sometimes even packaging for new products. Every day is different, and I enjoy turning ideas into visuals that tell a story. I've always loved drawing and designing, even as a kid. I remember getting into trouble at school for doodling in my notebooks during class. That passion eventually led me to study visual arts and digital design at university. Outside of work, I have a lot of hobbies. I love spending time outdoors, especially hiking or going on nature walks with my dog, Max. He's a golden retriever, full of energy, and he loves to explore as much as I do. I also enjoy cooking, especially trying new vegan recipes, and playing guitar in the evenings. Music helps me relax, and sometimes I even write my own songs just for fun. I also enjoy reading, especially books about psychology and personal growth. One of my biggest goals right now is to travel more. I've always wanted to explore South America, try new foods, and learn about different cultures. That's why I've started learning Spanish. It's not easy, but it's really exciting. I practice a little every day using apps and YouTube videos. I believe that learning a new language is like opening a new door to the world. It allows you to connect with people on a deeper level, and I love that. I consider myself a curious and creative person. I really enjoy learning new things, meeting new people, and having interesting conversations. I believe that life is an ongoing journey of learning and growth. Every challenge teaches you something, and every person you meet has a story worth listening to. So that's a little about me. What about you?
Now it's your turn to practice. Try to introduce yourself just like Sophia did. You can start by saying your name, where you're from, what you do, and a few things you enjoy. Don't worry about making mistakes. The more you practice, the better you'll get. And if you'd like, share your introduction in the comments below. I'd love to read about you, where you're from, and what you're passionate about. It's a great way to practice your writing in English and connect with other learners from around the world.